into the really good features on this, on the HMT 350. So what we'll do is we're just going to demonstrate the internet TV that's on it. So we'll just go to network, internet TV. The two basic choices, we can do it by genre or by region. So if you just go in here, we'll say, we'll have a look, and it's classified by you know, TV all, cartoons, blah blah blah. The amount of content on it, some of these things are a little bit disappointing, but you know, other parts of it are reasonably good. So we'll just return out. I normally do it by region because you know, certain broadcasters you'll find to be better than others. Now we'll come down as far as Europe, we'll say. Now that did not go to plan, I just overshot there. Europe. And what we're going to do here then is we will go into, I'll just page down here as far as Ireland, okay? So we'll just go in here and we can see anyway it's, we could go for RT or dollar and things like this. Now, I'm not going to go into these actually because I showed the part of the RT in a previous video, plus it's very limited here. You know, the number of people who want to look at doll or Senate Air and TV is probably very limited, and the RT stuff is very, very limited here. It's just a basic same video on loop, okay? So if we turn back out of there, now content will improve, and then some of the licensing problems and things like this in terms of the free availability will improve over a period of time. We'll just go up to the top of the list here and we'll go into United Kingdom, our good neighbours, and now we'll flick through here, and you know, you might think we'll have a massive range of things. So we have BBC Daily Politics, things like this, but we'll just come down. So BBC have added a huge amount of content in here, and we'll just Sky News here. Because I previously accessed Sky News on this, it actually moves at the top of the list. So the box here senses what you're looking at and says, this must be something you like, so let's put it top of the list. Plus I also added this into my favourites earlier as well. So just come along, I press the OK button. I just need to buffer. So once again, with television thing, it needs to buffer up to about 22%. At that stage, it'll play back. If you come along and it's having a hard time connecting and then it's buffering very slowly, you know you're probably picking a server that's in China. So you'll know two things then. Number one, the content's probably going to be rubbish. And number two is it's just going to be a pain looking at it. So, you know, keep it local, you know. So this is why doing it by regions can be better for the television part, but not so important on the thing. So we have it here anyway, Sky News there, you can hear the sound on it. And the whole thing works well. So I'd say the TV part works well. It's brilliant that you can look at it, screen it off, the sound works, all the rest of it. There could be glitches with certain things, but most of the things we've tested has worked quite well. But it's a lack of high quality content, I suppose. It's improving, but it's not comparable to what's on the radio, which is just unlimited, fantastic. You know, you couldn't get better than what's on the radio thing, and I'll cover that in the next video. So that's anyway an overview of pretty impressive internet TV available on this box.